are very, very welcome to this channel. Merry Christmas to everybody watching this channel. Today we are going to talk about how we are going to play our passing chord. How we are going to learn how to apply our passing chord. You see, this passing chord, it helps our playing sound too maturely, and it helps it groove it and spice it and make it very nice and pleasant to ears. So today that is what we are going to discuss. We are going to use key F, and the song we are going to use is Diwuhini, 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 Diwuhini. So we are using key F. So let's start. Diwuhini, Diwuhini, You see what I was doing? I was adding some passing courses. You see, Diwuhini is a simple chord. Diwuhini is one. Diwuhini, one. Your one. Diwuhini, they go to your four. Your four. That is your four. That is your four. Your four. Diwuhini, they come to. Diwuhini, they go to. So this is your five. Your five. Diwuhini, they come to one. You see, it's good to play it like this. Diwuhini, 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 Diwuhini. It's good, but it sounds too major. It sounds too major. So what you have to do, if you start from the do, Diwuhini, they go to mi. Passing chord, they go to mi, they come to la. Diwuhini, they go to fa. Then you play a passing chord, re. Diwuhini, they go to so. Your five, they come to do. I hope you get it. This is very simple. Diwuhini, you are on do. So Diwuhini, they go to mi. Passing chord, they go to la. Diwuhini, they go to fa. They come to re. Diwuhini, they go to so. Diwuhini, they come to do. You see, it's a passing chord. It sounds so sweet. So let's play it and see how it's going to sound. Diwuhini, 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 You see, it's very nice. 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 You see how I did it? I was playing passing chord. So your do, instead of repeating the do, Diwuhini, Diwuhini, you will stay on the do for long. Charlie, don't stay there for long. Diwuhini, they go to mi, they go to la. Diwuhini, you go to fa. Instead of you staying on the fa for long, don't stay there for long. Play a passing chord. You go to re, they go to so. Diwuhini, so. They come to do. Diwuhini, do. It's very simple. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.